Welcome to Wild Recipes. Today we have with us Tanushri Bhaumik, a food historian and researcher. Tanushri, tell us what are you going to make for us today?
I've chosen something special. I'm doing a salad that uses fresh tea leaves. Let's see how to make it. So let me first tell you what all we need for the salad. Of course, we have some tea leaves, freshly plucked. What we did with them is we put them in a wok on top of a steel mesh and covered it and smoked them up lightly. So we smoked them till they're just slightly wilted. They're no longer vibrant green and fresh. Besides that, we need tomatoes. We need some fresh lemon. This lemon is a specialty of Assam. It's fragrant, it's juicy, it's sour. You can use a normal lime. We have some roasted peanuts. There's some garlic, fresh ginger, green chilies. We have some olive oil, and besides that, salt, sugar, black pepper, and a little bit of red chili powder. That's all we need. We'll start by chopping the tomatoes. We need them roughly chopped and partly de-seeded so that they don't release a lot of water. So I'm going to just take off the seeds. I'm using 2 whole tomatoes here. And I've taken off most of the seed, and I'm going to cut it at an angle so that you get nice chunky pieces. And I want the pieces irregular. I don't want them same sized. They look nice this way. I'm going to take the tea leaves which I have wilted. Now you don't need a lot of them because you have to remember that they are quite bitter, and they can be quite bitter. A good thing to do is to taste one and see, how much bitter you would prefer in your salad. I don't mind a little bit of bite and bitterness, so I'm going to use a small handful of it, but you need to check as per your own taste. And I'm going to chop them a bit so that you don't get one whole leaf in your mouth while you're eating it. So for that much tomatoes, I'm going to use about this much of leaf. We're going to roll them into a bundle, take off any of the hard stems, and then just chop them roughly. So this goes into the salad almost like one would use fresh herbs. So we are going to now make the dressing for it. Now I have quite a lot of peanut here, and this salad needs quite a bit of peanuts. I'm going to take a generous handful of peanut. And I'm going to keep some whole as garnish. Into that, I'm going to put 2 medium cloves of garlic. You can use a little more if you like garlic. I'm going to maybe go with another one. And I'll take some ginger. This is about 1 inch of ginger. You can use half an inch, and that would be more than enough to put that in. Some plain white sugar, a teaspoon of it. Just check how sour your tomatoes are. If they're too sour, you can use a little more. Also remember, you're going to add some lemon juice to it. A little salt. The salt and the sugar I'm going to add while making the dressing because it's going to help break down the garlic and the ginger. About 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and about 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can use less as if your heat tolerance is less. And I'm going to just break down the green chili. This smells quite potent, so I'm going to use just one. Put it in there and squeeze in a bit of a lime in this. And once you've done this, I'm going to give this a good whack. So we have crushed what we had put into the Morton pestle. So you can see this is how it should look. It's a nice, thick, chunky consistency. The peanuts are partially broken, the sugars almost dissolved, and the salt has helped break down the ginger and the garlic, and it should look like this. I've added it to the tomatoes. I'm going to add a teaspoon of olive oil to this. A teaspoon or two to keep the salad moist. And a little bit more of the nice fragrant lime. Now this is a pretty versatile salad. What I'm making today is a vegetarian version of it. You might as well add sliced onions to it. You can add boiled shrimps. You can also add dried and crushed shrimps to it. So you can make it and just adapt it to what you'd like. So this is what I've done is, there's a little more peanut that I have. I'm going to just sprinkle a few peanuts on top. Put a slice of lime, and I kept some fresh tea leaves, and I'm going to use that proverbial 2 leaves to garnish it. And there you are, your tomato tea leaf salad.